In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the inbox feature in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your communication process, understanding the inbox feature is crucial for maintaining well-organized and efficient interaction with your contacts. First things first, let's dive into accessing the trial guide to get started. You'll want to navigate to the HubSpot platform by opening your preferred web browser and entering the official HubSpot link or accessing it through your bookmarks if you use it frequently. Once there, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of HubSpot CRM. Direct your focus to the top navigation bar where you'll see a variety of tools available. Here you're looking for the Sales Hub Professional. Just click on it to access the trial guide. This guide is specially crafted to give users like you a comprehensive overview, making it an indispensable resource when acquainting yourself with the various functions that HubSpot has to offer. From here, you'll be introduced to different options, but today our focus remains on the inbox. The next crucial step is to locate and click on the inbox. The inbox serves as the central point for all your communications, bringing together emails, forms, chat messages, and more into one unified view. In the left-hand menu, you'll find the Inbox option. Look for an icon or a label that indicates the inbox and give it a click. As soon as you access the inbox, you'll notice that the layout is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to help you manage all incoming and outgoing communications efficiently. Let's pause here for a moment to delve into why the inbox feature is so vital. With communications branching across multiple channels, having a centralized spot within HubSpot helps ensure every interaction is logged, responded to in a timely manner, and easily accessible for future reference. This setup helps eliminate the clutter that comes with managing emails, chats, and messages separately. When you start exploring your inbox, familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll find sections designated for different types of communications. There's a column for conversations, which is where all your incoming messages will appear. Adjacent to it, there's a dedicated space for the message thread you select, allowing you to read and respond directly within the same window. This design promotes an intuitive workflow, minimizing the need to jump between different applications or tabs. To amplify your productivity, you might want to configure settings like notifications and assigning conversations to specific team members. Doing so ensures nothing slips through the cracks and provides a stellar experience for those in communication with you. We hope that this guide empowers you to take full advantage of the inbox in HubSpot CRM, transforming how you manage communication through this powerful platform. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring and maximizing those HubSpot capabilities.